Join us today as we go to the 36th annual Dai Ichi show here in Gardena.
Hi, my name is Doyle Saito. We're here at the 36th annual Dai Ichi Bonsai Kai Show and Sale. We're at the Ken Nakaoka Community Center in Gardena, California. We're open 10 to 4 today, 10 to 1 tomorrow. If you come down to Gardena today, you're going to have to find parking because we're having a giant safety first seminar outside, so it's pretty crowded. Find some parking and come on in.
Hi, I'm Kelly Louie. I've been doing bonsai for about a year and a half, almost 2. And I'll just talk about my display really quick. That is a Prostrata. Malia helped style it. It belonged to Jim Colas. And she did it at a demo about 2 months ago, and I happened to win it. And it's my only tree that's ready to show, so they said I can show it.
Nice.
Brian taught me how to put the moss on. This rock I got from the Shohin show in Santanella. Jerry Bradswell gave it to me. A little scorpion belongs to Doyle. I guess he just put it on there. This belongs to Doyle. Basically, we have them pointing to each other, and there's 3, so it's like a triangle. And I guess the story is that's a faraway mountain. So even though the size is kind of big, we can think of it as a little mountain range a big mountain range far away from the tree. And that's about all I know right now. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alrighty, hello interweb. This is my pyracantha that I didn't know what to show this year. I love working with Doyle and Dai Ichi, and I just kind of wanted to put something to show, and just usually look around the garden and say, okay, that looks like it's decent. Let's throw that in there. So this is the pyracantha, and I picked it up at one of those bonsai sales, just like a yard sale type of thing, and it's just always been this like rewarding plant that gives you get the flowers in the spring, you get the berries in the fall, and it just happens to do very well in our climate. So I love growing them. They grow like a beast. You got to constantly repot them, and I think that's part of the challenge sometimes, because when you go overwhelm with some stuff, you don't get time to get to it. But this one's I'll be honest, it's not in its fullest form this year, so I was a little disappointed in that. But I, like I said, it's a cool tree. It's a nice size. It's a size that I like working with, because I can do it all by myself. I don't have to get somebody's help to come bring it in and take it out and all that stuff. And then actually Julian helped me up with the accent setup, so I appreciate that. Thank you, Julian. And that's it, yeah. So yeah, Pyracantha. Thanks, everybody. Enjoy.
Hey Tom, thanks for coming. So this is a cork oak that I defoliated about 2.5 weeks ago just for this show. So as I was defoliating it, it was popping new leaves. So here we are about 2.5 weeks later, all new growth. And of course we got the spring look going with the accent and everything.
If you guys like the show goes on today, May 6th till about 4 o'clock, and tomorrow, May 7th till about 1 o'clock. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you guys there. Thank you. Bye-bye.